Hey, it's Gilbert from Investing Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer from Metamask to Coinbase, step by step. If you want to follow along, check out the full article on our site down in the description below. Sending crypto from Metamask to Coinbase is actually fairly simple. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open a Coinbase account. Make sure you use our link in the description to get $5 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up. You will need to create an account with an email and password, then verify your photo ID. In order to send or receive cryptocurrencies, you do need a fully verified Coinbase account. You'll also need to add your phone number to set up two-factor authentication. Consider completing this step now before we move on. Verifying your account just takes a few simple steps. First, click on the Send or Receive button after logging in. A pop-up will appear that prompts you to upload a photo of your ID. After submitting your photos, your account will be reviewed. This process generally takes 1 to 2 business days, though it can be finished in less than an hour if the photo is clear and the name matches your account. After your account is verified, it's time to gather information about your wallet. Since you are sending the crypto to Coinbase, you need your Coinbase wallet address. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. Therefore, it is crucial that you locate the correct address. For example, if you want to send Bitcoin, then you must copy the Bitcoin address. You can locate your Coinbase wallet address by following the instructions on screen. Once you have located the desired cryptocurrency and corresponding wallet address, you will copy it. You will use this wallet address to paste into Metamask's platform. It's time to finish off the transfer over on Metamask. Open the app or Google extension and log into your account. You will want to click on the Send button. After that, you will need to set the destination, which will be the wallet address you copied from Coinbase. Simply paste in the address copied during step 3. After that, you will need to specify the amount of crypto you are sending and click the Next button. Finally, you will want to check over details for accuracy before clicking the Confirm button. Before you finish your transfer, you ought to know about gas fees. A gas fee is not what it sounds like. It is a fee that is paid to miners for executing a transfer and putting it on the blockchain. With Metamask, you can actually set your fee to one of the 3 options: low, market, or aggressive. That brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to get your free $5 of Bitcoin by using the link in the description.